Dean Davison, liveweatherblogs.com, meteorology. 34 degrees, Bristol, 32 Galax, 38 Roanoke, 32 Blacksburg. You see we got a warm-up going on here. Not a whole lot of snow this morning. We had an inch in a lot of places. In the mountainous regions like Galax, we had a couple inches. But mainly a coating to an inch in most of the areas here in the Roanoke Valley. And that's pretty much moved out, and the Delaware Valley should be experiencing some of that as we go along. Here's the Mid-Atlantic radar. You can see a little bit of leftover snow here in West Virginia and far West Virginia. But here's this piece of energy, the shortwave, pushing into D.C., Baltimore, Harrisburg, and that's going right for the Philadelphia area. I would be there probably by noontime today in the Philly metro. And a little bit of rain out towards Richmond as a warm-up has occurred, and we're not really getting enough cold air for snow anymore. Here's our country-wide map. You see the winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories here in the northern Great Lakes area. Also winter weather advisory in far western Virginia, back here to West Virginia and parts of Kentucky. And some fire weather advisories down here in the state of Florida. The winter weather advisories are actually by the top county and back here into West Virginia. So, you know, we're just outside of the area here in Roanoke, and you explained that very well here at the Weather Service level. Much like I was saying yesterday, here's dusting to an inch idea. I said that very well. This is Roanoke County right here. So, you know, I came out with that the other day and said, you know, this is not going to be nothing big, and that's pretty much what we have. Nothing huge has happened. Some Nowcast maps show the low moving across, a little bit of shortwave front area. Alberta Clipper now moving across. Precipitation will pick up around noontime here in Delaware Valley, then move out. As you see, it moves out, and we get to the next Clipper. We may get some more moisture coming on Saturday night, and that'll lead to the high pressure building in. And what's next down the road? We have the low starting in Texas, and that'll continue on. Go out, and you can see we get a new low developing here around Georgia, and this is where this could be interesting. And once again, it zips fast up the coast. Depending on where that low sits will depend on what kind of precipitation you get. Roanoke to Philly, it really depends. It could be enough shallow air for ice and some snow. So it's something we got to definitely keep an eye on. And we're going to go into the computer model data now. Here's new 00 European from last night. You'll see how this all comes together. This is also showing like a Lakes runner or apps runner. It's changed since yesterday. So this is showing more of a warm solution than it was before. So we'll have to see how this all plays out. The Canadian's been showing the same solution for a couple of days now. That would still bring us into more of a rain situation, also rain and snow situation here in the Delaware Valley, mainly rain in the Roanoke area. Roanoke area forecast, rain and snow ending, 27 tonight, 49 Saturday, 51 Sunday, 45 Monday, before we get the next chance of precipitation Monday night, which will start as rain, possibly going to a snow mix on Tuesday. So stay with liveweatherblogs.com for all the latest weather information. Remember, in the Delaware Valley, we're going to look at that snow that we had here down in the Roanoke Valley to move across the area by noon. For liveweatherblogs.com, it's meteorologist Dean Davison. Have a good afternoon. I'll update you later.